Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you something about Shine Projects. Shine Project एक ऐसी वेबसाइट है जो आपको ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज प्रोवाइड करती है। जैसे आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन पर, मैंने गूगल पर शाइन प्रोजेक्ट सर्च किया, फिर फर्स्ट लिंक जो भी आता है वो मैंने उसको ओपन किया। तो हम देख सकते हैं शाइन प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में कि शाइन प्रोजेक्ट्स एक कंपनी है जो बेस्ट कंपनी ऑफ 2021 का अवार्ड मिला है और बेस्ट स्टार्टअप ऑफ 2020 का भी अवार्ड मिला है। तो मैं आपको एक और बात बताना चाहूँगा कि ये कंपनी एक ISO सर्टिफाइड है, जिसका मतलब है कि ISO सर्टिफाइड मीन्स कि कंपनी इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स को फॉलो करती है। मतलब कि इट्स एन इंडियन स्टार्टअप टू फॉलो इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स। सो डेफिनेटली लुक टू दिस website to get your courses. So let's look all the courses that you can get. See, there are multiple courses that you can get on this website. So the best and the best course which you can get is this financial market triple combo. This, let me click on this. As you can see that this is the financial market combo, which means that it will give you knowledge about stock market, insurance, for mutual funds and many more. So let us see its curriculum. See, day 1 to day 4 you will have stock market, and day 5 you will have mutual funds, and day 6 you will have insurance, and day 7 you will have banking concept. This will lead to completion of all financial tools. And see, instructor will be Vikanta Harsha. See, and not just the course, you will get 100% placement guarantee, as you can see here, like part-time flexible jobs, flexible working hours, and many more. See, and the main and the most exciting thing about this project is, as you can see here, it's given the course that it will be of 3000 rupees, but no, it will be not 3000. So I will tell you something about it later. So let us see the overview of this course. So it will be 7-day course, and after the course completion you will get a certificate from a company with no exam, and you can get slots. You can book slots like which time you are feasible to attend the live classes, and we will have 1 hour of teaching class followed by 1 hour of clearing session daily. So it will be about 2 hours class, like 1 hour will be teaching and 1 hour will be doubt solving. So you can get it for about 1000 rupees. Yeah, listen correctly, that you will get it at 1000 only. Like you can see here, it is giving that you will get it at 3000. I am gonna show you the trick so you can get it at 1000 rupees. So study material will be given free of cost, as you can see here, no hidden charges. See, slots get fully within 24 hours of announcement of batch. So hurry up. मैं आपको यही बताना चाहूँगा कि आप जितनी जल्दी हो सकते हैं उतनी जल्दी आप इसको अटेंड करें। सो आप देख सकते हैं ऑल क्लासेस विल बी रिकॉर्डेड एंड विल बी शेयर्ड ऑन योर प्रेफरेंसेस। सो इसका मतलब ये है कि आपकी क्लासेस रिकॉर्ड होंगी और आपको प्रोवाइड की जाएंगी। तो आप ये देख सकते हैं कि इसमें आपको एक लिंक्डइन का रीशन भी मिलेगा आपको। तो इसका मतलब ये है कि यू विल गेट द लिंक्ड इन रिकमेंडेशन from our MD, which is really great for placement, like you are getting recommendation from our MD. See, and not just this course, you will get 2 course free of cost, Like you will get microeconomics and mutual fund advanced module free of cost, and after you complete it, you will get a, a certificate. You will get a full certificate after completion of course, and then you will get personality development course also free of cost. So isn't that great that for 1000 you will get 3 courses? Now let me show you how you can get it of 1000 rupees. So if you click link I have given you in the description, it will automatically give you 2000 discount. But if you don't, you can use the referral code. The referral code will be 2021564. So after you have given it, you will see that I have got a discount of 2000 rupees. See, so you can just see this referral code and just type it. Okay, so you can get it at just 1000 rupees, and after that you have to pay 18% GST, which will be about not much. Okay, so I think it is a great deal for you to take this course and learn your stock market skills and many more. So thank you. See you guys in next video. Bye bye. Thank you.